How to add or remove Dolby Atmos to quick settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the pencil icon. Next, tap on edit. And from here, we go down to the available buttons section. Then swipe across. Now, once you see where it says Dolby Atmos, tap on it, and it will be added to your quick settings panel. Then tap on done, then tap on done, and that's it. Now tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. To access Dolby Atmos from quick settings, just swipe down at the top, and then swipe down at the top again to fully open up quick settings. From here, tap on Dolby Atmos to quickly switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. Now to remove it from the panel, tap on the edit button, then tap on edit. In here we scroll down and tap on the remove button on Dolby Atmos, then tap on done, then tap on done. And that's it. It is now removed from quick settings. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.